Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll explore the dynamic pivot effect in Flint UI Designer. In modern embedded UIs, especially in automotive dashboards, gauges like speedometers and tachometers often use custom, non-circular shapes, such as hexagons or rounded squares. To support these designs, Flint provides the dynamic pivot effect, which dynamically adjusts the pivot point during rotation. This ensures smooth and natural needle movement, even when the gauge shape is irregular or non-circular. In this example, we'll create a hexagonal-shaped speedometer with a range from 0 to 120 km per hour. Firstly, drag and drop the meter widget into the design view. Select the appropriate images for the background, foreground, and needle. Now, create a data variable for the speedometer with minimum value 0 and maximum value 120. In the Visual Properties, under Advanced Properties, map this data variable to current value. Select the needle image and configure the rotation properties, such as pivot, center, start angle, and end angle. This defines the basic rotation behavior of the needle. Next, we'll create an EFO file. Right-click on the data folder, select New, then choose Other. From the dialog, select Sparklet EFO, then click Next. Choose the ordered list type as Dynamic Pivot, click Next, and enter a file name. The EFO file is now created. Open the EFO file and click Add to insert default points into the table. For each entry, edit the value, pivot X, pivot Y, and angle. To preview the pivot behavior, click on the Layout tab. Set the layout width and height to match the speedometer widget, for example, 300 x 300. Select the background and needle images to visualize the needle movement. Set the needle center based on the needle image. In this example, we set center X to 5. Select the fit type that best suits your project. Flint provides 4 options. Seal, rounds up to the nearest integer. Floor, rounds down to the nearest integer. Nearest, rounds to the closest integer. Linear fit, smoothly interpolates between values. Choose the appropriate option before proceeding. Using the background and needle images as reference, adjust the pivot position and angle for each value in the ordered list. You can preview the dynamic pivot needle movement directly in the Layout view. Select the meter widget and navigate to the Effects tab in the Properties panel. Apply the dynamic pivot effect in the needle image layer and map the created EFO file. Set the fit type to linear fit. Save the project. Click Export All and simulate the project. Apply different data values to see the dynamic pivot behavior in action. That's how you create a dynamic pivot effect in Flint UI Designer. This effect is especially useful for custom-shaped gauges and advanced automotive UI designs. Thank you.